Hey everyone, I'm Vicky Justiz, bikini model from Miami, Florida, and today we're going to do a really good, challenging ab workout that you can do right from home. You don't need any equipment. So once you're ready, find some space in your home and let's get started. So we're going to start off by doing 20 rotating planks, which is really good to tighten up your core, and it works out a little bit of your arms as well. So you're going to get in plank position with your back straight from your neck to your hips. You're going to rotate to one side and then switch. We're doing 20 in total. Keep going. Keep your back straight, your abs tight. Almost done. Come back down. You can catch your breath a little bit. Rest a bit. Now we're going to be doing 20 burpees. So you're going to get on up. This is going to work your whole body. It's going to work your abs, your arms, your legs. It's going to get your heart pumping. So what you're going to do is that you're going to jump up, go down into a plank, come back up. Do 20. Keep going. Keep going all the way up. Keep pushing. Almost done. Come up. Whew. Now catch your breath. You can get back down on the ground. Catch your breath. Rest a bit. Now we're going to do 30 crunches to kind of warm up our abs before we go into any of the ab exercises. So you can just squeeze, crunch up, back down. You can slightly touch the side of your head or keep your hands down. Squeeze. Keep going. Come back down. Catch your breath. Next we have 40 leg raises. So these exercises, try to do them with me, as many as you can, and follow through. But if you need to stop to catch your breath, you can, and then continue. So you can place your hands under your hips, legs up. You're gonna lower your legs, come back up. So squeeze your abs, come back up. We're doing 40. Keep going. Go as low as you can. Your back should stay flat on the ground. Squeeze. Try to keep going. Really pull through. Keep going. A few more. Squeeze your abs. Go as low as you can. and come up. So rest again as needed. Catch your breath. Now we have 40 hip raises. So place your hands under your hips, legs up. You're gonna squeeze your abs, raise your hips up, come back down. We got 40 in total. Go up as high as you can. You're really squeezing your abs. Keep going. Squeeze. Keep going as high as you can. Almost done. And back down. All right, catch your breath. You can let your abs rest a little bit. Breathe. Now we've got 40 side crunches on each side. So what you're gonna do is that keeping your upper back on the floor, you're gonna twist your lower body so you're on the side, and you're gonna squeeze your abs to crunch up and back down. We're gonna do 40 on each side. Let's go up and back down. Keep going. All the way up. Squeeze. Go all the way up, squeeze, and come back down. It's 40 on one side. So now you're going to twist and do 40 on this side. So squeeze, come back down. Keep going. Go all the way up. Keep going. A few more. And back down. Catch your breath. Now we've got 50 bicycle crunches. So for the bicycle crunches, it's going to be opposite knee to opposite elbow. You're going to keep your hands here by the side of your head. You're going to crunch up and switch. Do 50. You got to keep going. Do it all the way through. Going. Back down. Whew, you should feel your abs burning. Now we've got alternating leg raises. So you can place your hands under your hips. We're doing 50 alternating leg raises. So you're going to raise one leg up. And what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze your abs and switch. You're going to keep your abs engaged the whole time. Do 50 in total. Going. Squeeze. It's really great for your lower abs. Up as high as you can. Try to do it without stopping. A few more. And come up. All right, rest again. I've got a few more exercises left. So now you're gonna flip over into a plank position, and we're doing plank, hopping in and out, which is really, really great for your abs as well. So you're gonna get into a plank position here. You're gonna hop out and then come back in. And squeeze your abs. Keep going. Keep going. We've got a few more. Keep pushing. Come back down. Whew. Catch your breath. Breathe. You can take some rest time if you need it. And flip back down. Now we've got 30 sit-ups. So you're going to be coming all the way up. So you're going to squeeze your abs to crunch up, sit up, back down, back down. Make sure your hands touch behind your head when you come back down. Going. Go all the way up, squeeze your abs. Keep going, keep pushing yourself. Almost done. Up. Back down. Catch your breath. So now we're going to finish up this workout by doing 100 crunches, but you're going to do different types of crunches. So for example, you can start off doing some with your legs normal, and then raise your legs, and you can do side crunches. So any type of crunches, but you have to do 100. So you can follow along with me or do your own. So I'm going to start off with some regular crunches. I'm going to do about 20 of these. So you're going to crunch up, come back down. Keep going. Now I'm going to raise my legs up, so they're like this, to really get my lower abs. And back down. I'm going to do about 30. Keep going. That's 30. Now I'm going to do some toe touch crunches. Up, back down. Keep going. Back down. Got about 30 left. So now we're going to do 15 side crunches on each side. Keep going, really push yourself. And just out to the other side. And back down. So So we just did 100 crunches, and that's it for our home ab workout. Hopefully you did along with me. Once again, I'm Vicky Justiz. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.